out, now everybody's saying, well, it's about time Whistle Diesel crushed that garbage fake pickup truck. That's why we're also testing this real truck. Wouldn't it sure be a shame if the electric truck did better than the gas truck after all the shit that everybody talked? Every single thing the Cybertruck goes through, that truck is doing too. I have this nice little points counter to keep track. Please don't tell me that's the charge level.
It is.
What's the closest Tesla supercharger? 39 miles. And we have 44 miles. Look how many Teslas are here. Yeah, it's because there's no other option. Let's see how long this takes. All right, the truck is plugged in. I better not have to download an app to charge my vehicle. Not gonna lie, I'm actually getting pissed off. This is actually pissing me off.